How are you doing today?
Today I'm doing great. What about you?
Yeah, I'm exceptionally well and fit as fiddle. So thanks for your concern.
Okay.
So welcome to the session. I'm very delighted to have this session with you. Thank you so much for joining me.
Mm.
So we are meeting for the very first time. So I would love to know something about you. Please introduce yourself first.
Okay. I'm Rameswar Prasad. I'm from Jharkhand and I used to teach PCS students for nearly 6 years. And at present I'm on a break. And now I even want to switch my career and I want to make videos for YouTube on subjects like politics, philosophy, religion, and current events. And
So currently,
yeah.
yeah, please go ahead.
Hmm. And my hobby is reading books and debating.
Okay. Reading books and
Debating.
or
Debating on
debating.
various topics.
Okay, okay, great.
Hmm.
So currently, do you have any YouTube channel?
Yeah, I started one a week ago.
Okay, so yeah, what means what do you upload on your channel?
Conversational videos.
Okay, conversational video.
Yeah, and you are the third
Oh,
person with whom I am talking.
oh, I'm a third person. So I'm very delighted to introduce myself. As you know that my name is Kiran Sao. Basically, I'm from Bihar, but living in West Bengal. And if I talk my education, so I have done my BCom honors, and currently I'm a homemaker and mother of two adorable boys. And if I talk my hobbies, so reading, cooking, and interact new people, these are my hobbies. And these day I'm more into learning English language. So I would say like I'm very passionate about learning this language. So that's all about me.
Okay. Now, where you are living in West Bengal?
Yeah, it's a Bardhaman district.
Bardhaman. Okay. My
Yeah.
in-laws live in Purulia district.
Okay, laws. Okay, great.
Yeah.
So yeah. So shall we start with a topic? Would you
Yeah.
like to sorry, would you like to discuss on a topic?
Yeah, we should start with the topic. I think that will be better.
Okay. Yeah, it would be better for us and for our viewers, right?
Yeah, definitely. Instead of talking some random topic, it's better to talk
Yeah.
on some topic.
Yeah, topic. So
Hmm.
I have a topic like a health, good health, okay?
Okay.
So what do you think? Like what is the if we take care of our health, so what type of advantage we can leverage? What do you think?
I think taking care of health is very important because upon health everything depends. Our career, our pleasure, our religion, everything. Like if one will not take care about one's health during the childhood, then one won't be able to study properly or
Yeah.
even do good in sports, etc. And during adulthood, if one won't take care about their health properly, then one won't be able to become good parent and won't be able to work properly as well. And during old age, if someone will don't take care of their health, then even they won't be able to find it very difficult to walk and do their daily activities as well. And these days, medical expenses have become very high. So it's very important to just take care of one health. And for that, one can take care of one's diet and just exercise.
So currently, what type of taking care do you do for your health?
I
Do
take
you
care of
do
my diet.
yoga and meditation?
I am into pranayam and I jog for nearly 5 kilometers per day. And
Five
along with that,
kilometers.
I even do some exercise, stretching exercises as well.
So every day you walk 5 kilometers.
I jog.
Okay, jog.
Yeah,
Okay,
that I
great.
do. And along with that, I even take care of my diet as well. In diet, I have more vegetables and fruits, and I have less carbs because that is important, I think, because we need to have lots of vitamins and minerals rather than
Yeah,
having
yeah.
more carbs. We even
Yeah,
need to
yeah.
have
That
lots of proteins as well. So they are important.
protein is important.
So
Great.
what about you?
So which district do you belong in Jharkhand?
I hail from Dhanbad mainly, but at present I am living in Ranchi.
Okay, Dhanbad, it's the nearest to West Bengal, right? So that
Yeah,
is why I asked. Yeah.
I think
So yeah,
boundary of Bardhaman touches with Dhanbad.
yeah.
Hmm.
So if we take care of our health, so we can have good energy, right? And we can gain our confident to do something, right? If we sick, right, so we don't feel like do anything, right? So
Hmm.
and we can stronger our immune system so that we
Hmm.
can healthy, right? So
Definitely.
definitely we should focus our health firstly, because health is wealth.
Hmm.
Firstly we should focus our health so that we can do whatever we want. Yeah.
Hmm.
So I completely agree with you that health is very important, and we should take our breakfast, lunch, and dinner on time,
Hmm.
right? So
Yeah.
that we can maintain our, health. It is very important.
Hmm.
Yeah,
Should I add something?
yeah,
Along with
definitely.
diet, we need to take lots of water. And
Yeah,
we even need to sleep proper at time.
yeah. It is also
Yeah.
important.
That too is very
Sleeping.
important.
Yeah, definitely. Sometimes it's happen, due to so many responsibility. Mainly ladies, they don't care their health, right?
Yeah.
They don't take breakfast timely on time,
Hmm.
right? It's happened earlier. It was happened with me. I was
Hmm.
not able to take on time on my of my breakfast. Okay,
Yeah.
so that is why I had to face some health issue because of
Hmm.
that. So
Yeah.
that is why I got to know that health. Firstly, we should take care of our health. Then after, we should focus our work,
Yeah,
because
definitely.
sometimes it's happened we procrastinate to have my lunch, breakfast, dinner. So it happened mainly ladies, right? So I always now these day I take care of myself, because it is very I had to face. So that is
Hmm.
why currently I recently I take care of my health, and every day I take my, especially breakfast on time.
Hmm. Yeah.
Maybe lunch
Hmm.
I take lately, I take a little bit late, but
Hmm.
my breakfast is on time.
Hmm.
So because of that, I face two health issues.
Hmm. No, regarding
Yeah,
ladies now, there is religion too is responsible a bit because they do
yeah,
lots of fasting and all, and that
yeah,
creates problem for
yeah.
them.
So many fasting.
That's
Currently, I
why.
do not do any fast. Yeah, currently I do not observe any fast. But
Hmm.
earlier, when after getting married, that time, this festival, fast, that fast, always I used to take, right?
Hmm.
But currently, I do not do anything. Like only one or two, I think 1 or 2 days in a year, I
Hmm.
observe fast. So
Okay.
it was earlier, it was more, but currently, I do not do anything.
Hmm. No, one need to
Yeah,
take care of one's health because the fasting is beneficial, but too much fasting is not beneficial. That one
yeah.
just harms one's health.
Anything is too much is not good, right?
Hmm.
Anything,
Uh,
everything should have a balance, so
hmm.
that everything is good. But if you do anything like a disbalance, so it would be difficult for you. Initially you should feel like, yeah, it is easy, it is normal. But after a while, then after you feel like, due to this reason, I will have to face the problem. So
Hmm.
definitely, so initially we don't feel like this, but after a while we feel like,
Yeah. So
yeah,
negative impacts to take some time to just develop,
yeah,
and positive
negative.
impacts to does the same thing. If you will start exercising, improvements don't come very easily. It takes time. Like I
Yeah.
lost nearly 25 kgs in 2 years. So I
Oh,
know how
25.
tough it is. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, at the last
Nice.
look, 2 years back I was up 90 kgs, and at present I am up 65 kgs. So I lost
So
that
I
much
think
weight.
yeah, you did a good job, like a 25 kg and only 2 years.
Yeah, look,
You lose your weight.
yeah, because look, at that time I was started having pain on my knees and my back. So I thought
Okay.
what to do. Then I just took to walking. In the initial stage, I just began with walking, and gradually I just improved and just I started to jog. And then I added some pranayam and some stretching exercises as well.
Okay.
But
Great.
only exercising don't help. One need to take care about one's diet as well. But
Yeah,
without
diet
improving
is
one's
also,
diet, one can't just take care of what one's weight.
yeah,
Because
diet
belly
and
weight,
exercise both are
yeah.
equally important.
Hmm. Because decreasing
And
belly weight is very tough.
yeah, yeah,
At least for
definitely.
gents, it's become very tough to decrease belly weight.
Yeah,
Hmm. Uh,
definitely.
So what do you do to just keep yourself fit?
Yeah, currently I do not do yoga and pranayam, anything. But yeah, I wake up in the morning and I do my, mostly in the morning, I do my whole the work, like related to household.
Hmm.
And then I take my breakfast on time. And yeah, just I go for walk little bit, evening walk, sometime evening walk, and I go for picking up my kids from school. So
Hmm.
that's why I am fit. And earlier, just like two or two, not 4 year back, I had to face some health issue related to cough cold, because
Hmm.
before getting marriage I didn't know how to do laundry.
Okay, it
And
happens.
yeah, and after that, when I got married, so when I start my doing laundry,
Hmm.
so that time, I used to wet my clothes while
Hmm.
doing laundry. Okay.
Hmm.
And what happened, yeah, when I go to taking a bath,
Hmm.
yeah, when I used to go for taking a bath, so
Hmm.
that time my whole clothes, my whole body observed the water, means simultaneously I did not go. Okay.
Okay.
I took time a lot.
Hmm.
Okay, so that is why, for that reason, I got some cold and cough problem.
Okay.
Okay.
It will, yeah,
Yeah. So
it will
after
happen
that,
definitely.
yeah, and 3 years, it's been, yeah, 3.5 years, I had to face some cold and cough problem, so that
Okay.
it was very difficult for me to survive that time.
Hmm.
Right. And yeah, my husband was totally frustrated because of that.
Okay.
Because if a lady get some problem, so you can understand that
Yeah, the
what
family too
happened.
gets
whole,
disturbed,
yeah,
definitely.
whole
That's all.
family, get disturbed, right? So
Mm-hmm. It
that
happens.
things happened in my family,
Hmm.
and whole things was disturbed.
Hmm.
Okay. And that time, like so many a lots of money my husband spent on only medical treatment.
Okay.
Right.
Yeah.
And I can say, like, it was my death near death experience, and
Okay.
I narrowly escaped from this. So I can say, like, from that, after that, I got to know that it is very important to take care of health. But
Yeah.
sometimes it's happened due to kids and family responsibility and taking care of whole things. It is
Hmm.
not possible to take care of ourselves.
Yeah, it
So
happens.
sometimes have a lots of responsibility related to
Hmm.
kids, taking care of family and households. So that time it is not easy to take care of ourselves, right?
Hmm.
Take
Yeah.
care of their self. So
Hmm.
that things happen with me. I have two kids, and when I got my like a cold and cough problem, that time my kids were too small,
Hmm.
and everything I had to do alone. And that time my situation was very bad, so that
Hmm.
is why I didn't take care of myself.
Hmm.
So that is why, I had to face problem, and now I'm taking care of my health first. And
Mm.
sometime it's happened that especially Sunday, on Sunday, I do not take my lunch on time, breakfast. Sorry, I do not take my breakfast on time because Sunday I have to do so many work like pending work. So that is why. And otherwise, 6th day I take my breakfast on time. Apart from
Okay.
this, I do every work, but firstly I take my breakfast on time
Mm.
because I went through my problem, so that is why I take care of my health.
Mm. Yeah, it's very important to have breakfast on time. The first meal should be good,
Yeah.
and that's
First should
better.
be good and healthy because
Yeah,
sometimes it's happen
definitely.
like someone like just fast food little
Mm.
means not need to chapati paratha, just
Mm.
they have like light food. Okay.
Mm.
Some people they have on breakfast light food like a
Mm.
poha and upma. It they can manage, but I do not manage. I need to have chapati so that I can manage. Otherwise, no option for me.
If one is habituated to having uh, chapatis in the morning, then one will definitely require.
Yeah, yeah,
Mm.
definitely.
Yeah,
So, did it
even
happen with you that due to carelessness, you had to face some health issue?
yeah, I did have to feel lots of
So,
issues.
just share
Like
with me.
I was having stomach problem, your other say constipation thing, because I wasn't into walking and jogging earlier, and I don't used to practice yoga at that time, and I was too busy in my studies, and because of that, that happened. So I had to face lots of problems because of that only. I don't have other problems, only that thing I had, but now I don't have any problem because since the
Actually, you
time I
know what?
started to.
I thought, yeah, I think earlier people was not aware. Right.
Hmm.
Earlier, people was not aware. But
Hmm.
nowadays, due to social media, due to
Yeah,
YouTube,
definitely.
most of person, they are aware about their health.
Hmm.
So that nowadays people take care of their health. But due to some reason like nowadays in life is busy, right?
Hmm.
Some people are they fast paced life, right? In
Hmm.
this fast paced life, they do not take care of their health.
Hmm.
Sometimes it's happen situation is different for others and
Hmm.
for everyone, that means, so that they do not take care of their health. But most of time nowadays people are aware due to social media, due to YouTube, so that
Hmm.
they are aware for health, and they are aware that what should we have and we what should we don't have, right? So
Hmm.
nowadays people are so aware about their health. I
Hmm.
can see my surrounding in
Hmm.
my what the people with whom I talk. So
Hmm.
most of people they talk about their health, what type of food, what type of things they have, so they feel better, healthy. So
Hmm.
nowadays situation has changed.
Yeah, definitely. And it's for better.
Everyone is aware.
Yeah. So it's good now. The
Right.
India will become
And
healthier.
you can see in like YouTube, uh, so many recipe, they can healthy food. So
Hmm.
they try to make at home. No need to go outside. Puri and kachori type things they have. They just try to make at home, right? So
Uh,
this is a good opportunity for us. We should leverage this opportunity
yeah,
through the
definitely.
YouTube and
Hmm.
social media. We can learn so many things. So
But
it is
still,
a like a good
still there are,
opportunity for us.
yeah, huh? Yeah, still there are many people who aren't aware and they are
Yeah,
into fast food
you
even
can
now.
say.
And
Yeah,
every
they
day they
have.
go out
They,
in the market and at least mostly in the evening, and they
yeah.
try to have fast food and cold drinks, etc.
Actually, I think the people who has suffered,
Hmm.
they have related to health. Definitely, they take care of their
Yeah,
health.
definitely.
Otherwise, the people who is just unknown the health issue, so
Hmm.
they don't care their health. They
Hmm.
just think like, yeah, everything is okay. I'm fit and fine. But when they will face the problem, then
Hmm.
they will take care of their health,
Yeah,
right?
definitely. One will have to.
Yeah. Yeah.
Otherwise, no choice.
Definitely.
Because medicines aren't curing the diseases. The thing is this. And
Yeah,
medical
definitely.
expenses too have become very high, gone very high. And doctors just write lots of tests as well, unnecessary tests, just to make money.
Yeah.
So
Without
this too is a big
reason, if
problem.
you go to doctor, without means for no reason,
Hmm.
they write like this test, that test. They say, they advise to
Hmm.
do this test, that test.
Hmm.
So it is, befizul kharch.
Yeah,
That means,
I know.
yeah,
Yeah.
no need to spend money.
Hmm.
Just take care of our health. We
Hmm.
should definitely be healthy
Hmm.
and be successful. If we are healthy, definitely we are successful, right?
Yeah, to a large extent, definitely. It's
Yeah,
an asset.
yeah, true that. So
Hmm.
that if you have any question, then you can ask. I have already asked so many questions.
Hmm.
I think two questions
Regarding
I
the
have
topic,
asked.
we discussed nearly all the things, I think. So we
Yeah,
can talk about some other things as well because as we are having time, so we can talk about other things. So tell me something
yeah.
about your English journey.
Yeah, English journey. Yeah, it's
Hmm.
going on well. Just 11 month back, I started my journey for speaking. Earlier, I used to watch sentences, and after that, I switched myself watching conversational video.
Hmm.
And then, just 11 month, it's going on. I have been practicing, and I try to level my best. So that is why I every single day just one session definitely I take, so that I can stick with my goal and practicing.
Hmm.
So this is how I'm doing my work.
You have taken classes from somewhere.
No. I
Okay.
just learn speaking. I
Hmm.
learned English speaking from the YouTube. I didn't take
Okay.
any class. Yeah, I
Hmm.
took a subscription for audio call because I didn't know there are so many applications for free of cost. I didn't know. So
Hmm.
that is why I took subscription, and now I have friends, so there is no need to subscription. Okay.
Okay.
So whenever I get time, like doing dishes and doing household chores, so I talk with my friends and I take session. Just one, two session means minimum one session I take,
Every
so
day.
that I can, yeah, so that I can show up myself in front of camera,
Hmm.
and I can improve myself. I want to improve myself because I left my study. So it was it was a long gap. So that is why it is difficult for me. It was difficult for me to restart my journey. But slowly and gradually, I started my journey, and I can say I'm a little bit hardworking lady. So
Good.
yeah, whenever I start something, so no matter how much time is going on, I just do my work. So yeah, every day just one session I take, and when I started my journey, that time it was, I was not able to form a single letter. Letter means word. Sorry, I was not able to uh, spell a single word because
Okay.
English word is different.
Hmm.
And Hindi and other language is different.
Hmm.
Okay, so it
Definitely.
was very difficult to structure to make a structure,
Hmm.
and difficult word I was not able to spell.
Hmm.
Okay, and simple word which I used to teach my kids. So that time word are I was able to spell simple word, but when
Hmm.
it's come to speak like a heavy word, like a you know their spelling is long. So that time it was very difficult to pronounce the word. So
Hmm.
yeah, now it's still I have a problem, but now I started my reading practice, so I can say that yeah, it is very beneficial for me. Now I am I get stuck
Hmm.
because of my tongue. My tongue is not allow me to speak properly sometime. You
Hmm.
know, so
Yeah.
I think it will take time. I should
Hmm.
have a patience.
Hmm.
So definitely I will achieve my fluency. just 11 months it's going on. So
Okay.
yeah, I will try to best my level,
No,
and let's see how it's
in a
happen.
short period, you have achieved a lot. 11 months is a very
Thank
small
you so
period.
much.
So even in that many, the level which we have attained, that is just remarkable. And what you are reading these days?
Actually, you know what? I don't have any special book. I just read my kids' book, like a 1, 2, 3 class.
Okay.
It's a story book, so I
Mm.
read only. I don't have any special book, and I didn't spend money for taking class and buying any book.
Mhm. No, you
So
can
yeah,
go
my
for
kids.
cartoons as well. There are lots of
Yeah.
stories you can find in YouTube as well. So you can listen them. I think that will be
Yeah,
helpful.
earlier when I started my journey, like listening.
Mm.
So that time I used to listen, I used to watch some cartoon related to like Gattu and Chinky. I think you know about her. I don't know.
I don't know.
So yeah, I used to watch, but now currently I do not watch any kind of cartoon. Yeah, I watch conversational video,
Mm.
uh, Manju ma'am, and different type of hair YouTubers. So I watch
Mm.
their video, and I get so many knowledge from there. So yeah, really it is beneficial for me, and I can I can see really. So what type
Mm.
of practice do you do?
I am mostly into reading and listening videos. And I too write on Facebook
And
and
when
Twitter.
did you start your journey for speaking?
For speaking, I started from December 1st, 2025. So I have completed
Okay.
nearly 4.5 months. And I have just chosen Roshan Ali, and with whom I am just discussing. He don't teach me. We just discuss upon certain points. So I am talking with him since 4.5 months. And even now I am continuing with him. And when I felt that I can make videos, so then since then I started to make videos. And like I just got into conversational videos, and it's just 1 week ago I opened my channel, and there are just two videos of Roshan Ali, one with my wife. She too can speak in English, but as she's preparing for JPSC, so usually we don't talk much in English. And other than that, you are just the third person with whom I am talking.
Okay, nice.
And other than that, I
I
am,
am a third
yeah.
one lucky person.
Yeah, you can say.
Yeah,
And
yeah,
other than that,
definitely.
I read lots of non-fiction books. They all are in English. And I
Okay.
even read fiction as well, like novels of Chetan Bhagat and Nancy Drew. She is an American writer. And she write books for adolescents, like the guys who are in 9, 10, you can say. So they are very good, at least for the beginners. They're very good, really. And if one
Yeah,
is in undergraduate courses, then one can go for Chetan Bhagat. So they are just for, they too are very good. And if then other books are just for knowledge, because I want to make video on history, religion, etc. So I read lots of books about religion and philosophy as well. So books are the main source of learning for me, at least at present.
yeah,
Yeah.
definitely. So I think we are running out of the time.
Yeah.
So
7 minutes
yeah,
ago.
last question I would love to ask you.
Hmm.
Like, what advice would you like to give to learner and to uh, others viewers to take care of their health?
About health, I think they should get into physical work more, because of mobile, they aren't into physical work more. So I think whatever one can do, one should do, because that is very crucial. But without that, one won't be able to just take care of their health, and if you won't have good health, then you won't be able to enjoy your life properly. So I think it's very important.
Yeah, yeah,
And in the end, would you
definitely.
like to add something? Then Chutu can add.
Health is important. Health is wealth.
Yeah, definitely,
Right?
it's wealth.
Yeah, definitely.
So now I think
So,
we should end our session. Okay.
yeah, yeah,
Okay, and we
definitely.
will
So
connect
I
sometime
really
later
enjoyed a
also.
lot to
Yeah.
talk to you. Thank you so much for joining me.
Mm.
It
Okay.
was insightful conversation. Thank you so much. Bye and
Okay.
have a nice
Bye.
day.
Okay. Same for you. Bye.